first of all, I would like to say we have community. We have a great turnout here today. It's absolutely amazing. We have great numbers today. We have lots of amazing people. We have all the professors. We have all the staff. We have all the students here today. We have lots of games. We have an escape room going on. We have games such as Professor Chad's PCB boards. He pretty much codes. He emulates games onto those circuit boards, and you're able to he just replicates them, and it's really, really cool. You get to play cool retro games, and he has like hundreds of them down there, and good vibes.
The first thing I did, I answered a question. I used the quadratic formula, which I was really surprised that I remembered. I got the question right. I won a Pikachu pin, and I got a couple flyers for my kids to get help with some of their schooling. Walked around to some of the other tables. I did some sudoku, answered some kind of difficult riddles, and then I butchered a lotus flower in origami.
Well, I would definitely say it's an amazing experience. I like it a lot. I mean, we have our plane project right down there. People have the wrong idea sometimes about how math is. Sometimes people will hear math and be like, oh, no, but that's how I was. I wasn't too much of a fan of math. I mean, before this, I wanted to do nursing, but then a week before class started, I was like, man, you know what? This kind of sticks more well with me, the consistency and really learning how literally the world works. Math and science is how the universe works. It's just describing how everything was made.
I think distracting from that aspect of math, distracting with the funness helps, and also Chad's optimistic, exuberant teaching method. I think that's what really helps. Some people are naturally good at math, and some people have to really be coaxed out of their shell.
If you're persistent, you will make it through. You just need to keep trying and failing. It's part of the process. Failing, you can't see that as the end of the world, because that's just part of the bumpy road in getting to your goal.